demonstrating my walking stick strut. It's just a branch off a tree, which makes it that bit more unique, and then I cut a bit of shape into it. At the bottom I like to have it come to a point so it looks a bit more walking stick like. Bit of a combination. And then it's all cleaning up from here, bit of getting off those bumpy bits and making it nice and smooth. And you get that end product. Then it's a bit more defining around the handle. It's not a full 90 degrees, so I'm just kind of shaping it to fit my hand. A lot more sanding. There's always sanding involved. My pet hate. Engraving Madmen Inferno. Just a basic writing, nothing special. And I'm using the stain with a cotton bud to put the detail in, and I'm using a marine lacquer to finish it off, and a sand and a lacquer between these gives you this nice thick coat. And that's the end product. Something that's nice and smooth, fits great in the hand, and is unique.